Hello, in this clip I will show you what you can do with a 3D printer to make parts for your hobby or your car or whatever. In this case I have this old ashtray sitting in my Mustang. I have no use of it, it's ugly, I don't smoke, and you can't put stuff in it really because of this spring, and it's no useful. So I figure I would do a new one in my 3D printer with space for the display that connects to my fuel injection. So here's the display, the Sniper E5 unit. This one does not fit in the stock ashtray, even if I would cut it up and re-weld it, and so it's too much work for this. So I took my AutoCAD inventor and 3D model up a new ashtray, and here it is. So this is printed in plastic, everything. So the display will sit like this, and the wire will go through this hole and back to the Sniper unit. I even done a new button here. That wasn't so nice, but it was easier this way. Here's another thing I have done recently. I'm working on my electronic fuel injection harness, and I will pull it through a firewall with a big hole, a square hole. So I made two of these. This is one piece. So this fits in the square hole. I got another piece coming out from one side, and then we'll hold the cables like this, making a new nice description also. You just have to be creative and think of stuff. So free your mind and get yourself a 3D printer, it's great. I can show you how this fits in my car. It's going in this hole here. It's perfect. So you can just pull it when I need to look at the display and move it in when I'm done.